welcome to Mama Lulu's kitchen once again. Today we're gonna make a red chicken pozole. This recipe is absolutely delicious. Let me show you the ingredients. This is all of the ingredients that we're gonna need for the pozole. Right here we have 2 chicken breasts bone in, and we also have 3 pounds of chicken drumettes. And the chicken drumettes is so that our broth has a rich flavor. And right here we have 6 pounds of pre-cooked hominy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the ends from each individual one. It has this little brown ends right here. You don't have to do that, you can skip that step, but it just looks nice, you know, when you remove it. This is what I'm using to add to our chicken while it's cooking, which is 1.5 tablespoons of granulated salt, 1/2 onion, and a garlic head. Right here I have 5 liters of water that has been boiling already. So I'm gonna go ahead and add our chicken. We're gonna cook this for approximately 20 minutes in medium high. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion, the garlic head, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. We cover, and we're gonna let it cook for approximately 20 minutes in medium high. And to make the sauce for our broth, I have 10 California peppers and 8 garlic cloves. Now we're going to deveine our peppers. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut the ends right here. We cut the middle. We open this and just remove the seeds and the veins. It's very easy to do this. And do the same thing with all of your peppers. After you devein the peppers, we're gonna go ahead and rinse them. After you have rinsed your peppers, we're gonna go ahead and soak them here in hot water until they're soft. We're gonna go ahead and cover it and let it simmer on medium-low for approximately 10 minutes. The peppers have been simmering for approximately 10 minutes here, so it's time to remove them. If you can see, they're already nice and soft here. Okay, so now it's time to blend our peppers. Two cups of water and our garlic. We're gonna go ahead and cover. We're gonna blend. Now we're gonna go ahead and strain the salsa. This is what we get rid of, and this is what we're gonna add to our pozole right now. The chicken has been cooking for approximately 30 minutes, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the salsa. We're also gonna add the hominy. We're gonna verify the salt and see if it's to your liking. I think it needs more salt, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more. I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of salt. And we're gonna go ahead and cover it and let it cook for an additional 20 minutes on medium high. The pozole has been cooking for approximately overall an hour. The chicken is completely cooked. Hominy looks really good. So this is ready to serve. We're also gonna make a very spicy sauce for our pozole. Right here I have 2 cups of dry Thai peppers, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 bay leaves, 5 cloves and 3 peppers, 6 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of salt. To make our spicy salsa, we're gonna go ahead and simmer our peppers for approximately 10 minutes. While our hot peppers are simmering, we're gonna go ahead and grind these peppers and the clove, the oregano, the bay leaves, and our garlic cloves. And the salt. Okay, our spicy peppers have been simmering for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to make the salsa. I'm gonna go ahead and add our peppers and the paste that I grained on the molcajete with 1.5 cups of the same water that we used to simmer the peppers. We're gonna add our 3 tablespoons of vinegar. We're gonna cover and blend. Okay, our salsa is done. I'll go ahead and transfer it to a measuring cup. And here it is, very spicy salsa. These are the toppings for the pozole. We have onions, limes, radish, cabbage, our spicy salsa, serrano peppers for those who want it more spicy, and the tortilla shells. Okay, now it's time to fix our plate. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of our cabbage, some radishes, onion, and some salsa.